Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you how to remove fingerprint lock in Oppo mobile. Friends, you don't want to use Oppo mobile fingerprint lock setting, you want to remove fingerprint lock in Oppo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to remove fingerprint lock one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about open your device phone setting first of all. After turn on phone setting, how to remove fingerprint lock. Scroll down here. Open your device phone password and biometric setting. After turning on phone password and biometric setting, friends, lock screen password, privacy password, fingerprint lock, face lock setting you can use in your Oppo mobile. So friends, in your Oppo mobile, open your phone fingerprint lock setting. Enter your password, enter your lock screen password. After enter lock screen password, friends, if you click your fingerprint lock one, so friends, you can rename your fingerprint lock also in your Oppo mobile. Fingerprint on. Right click your fingerprint lock will rename in your Oppo mobile. You want to add fingerprint lock, if you click here add a fingerprint, so friends, you can add one more fingerprint lock. You can use two fingerprint lock in your Oppo mobile. Friends, click here delete icon setting, and friends, you can remove your Oppo mobile fingerprint lock. After remove, you cannot unlock Oppo mobile with fingerprint lock. Delete fingerprint lock setting will off. Fingerprint lock setting you cannot use in your Oppo mobile. You want to unlock Oppo mobile. So friends, you can unlock your Oppo mobile with your lock screen password, and you have face lock, so you can use face lock setting. So friends, now let's see how to unlock phone. Enter your password, phone will unlock. Fingerprint lock you cannot use. Again, you want to use, open your phone password and biometric setting. Click here add fingerprint, enter your password, you can add fingerprint lock. If you click here add face option, enter your password, next option show your face, then friends, you can unlock your Oppo mobile with face lock. After show face, friends, click here done option, face lock will add, and you can use face lock setting in Oppo mobile. So friends, if you lock your screen, don't enter your passwords, show your face, your phone will unlock automatic. Swipe, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use password and biometric setting, and you can remove fingerprint lock in Oppo mobile. Bye.